Hello students, this is Vikas sir and welcome all to VANIK Smart. So students, now we are back again our online class and that is your mock test OSSC CGL and the mock test number 22. So in these discussions, I have designed again more possibility questions and near about 21 questions, and this type of questions already we have discussed 21. So this is set number 22. So if you calculate, so 22 into 20 on an average, so near about 400 to 500 questions still we have discussed, right? So let's go about that because now the examination is knocking the door and it is coming to you. So let's go about our discussions, right? So go to question number 1. In comparison to the internal main memory. So students, remember that internal main memory means only one memory is there and that is RAM. In comparison to RAM, okay, RAM memory, tape or disk memory is, so students remember that tape or disk is secondary memory, and this is primary. Okay, so always remember that primary memories are faster in execution and with lower storage capacity, but secondary memories are slower in execution but higher storage capacity. So here we can say RAM is faster and more expensive because primary memory are costly as comparison to secondary storage. So here the internal memory RAM is faster because it is primary memory, it is faster than secondary memory and expensive. So question number 1 answer is C. So students, Soumya, question number 1 answer is C because in comparison to internal main memory, okay, disk memory is, okay, no, the question is reverse. Yes, the question is reverse. I am repeating again. In comparison to main memory means in comparison to RAM, the disk memory or tape drive means second, it asks about the secondary memory about the question, means it has asked about the disk means hard disk, floppy disk, tape drive. So it has asked about the secondary memory is what as comparison to primary memory. So secondary memories are slower and inexpensive as comparison to primary memory because primary memory are faster and expensive. So we can say B, yes. So question number 1 answer is B, slower and less expensive. So Soumya Ranjan, yes, good, answer is B. Then goes to question number 2. Barcode store the information using dash. So barcode means basically we are using a scanner and this scanner is known as BCR, barcode reader, and barcode reader basically reads the vertical lines of code which can be UPC, universal product code. So we can say thick and thin lines, okay. So answer is C. So these are the vertical lines, thick and thin lines, and on the below position some number will be there, and by scanning this bar a scanner is used and this scanner is known as BCR, barcode reader. So question number 2 answer is C. Okay. So Soumya, question number C answer is C, thick and thin lines. Punch holes, it is not acceptable. Dots also not acceptable. So barcode, this is thin and thick lines. Okay. Then goes to question number 3. Which of the following translator convert the assembly language to binary code? So students, it has asked about assembly language. So assembly language is a programming language which is used in second generation of the computer system, and if the program or coding has designed in assembly language, there is a translator and the translator is known as assembler. Okay, so question number 3 answer is 8, assembler. So assembler is a translator which can translate the assembly language code into binary code. So question number 3 answer is A. But remember that compiler and interpreter Compiler and interpreter, these are designed for high level language instruction. High level language instruction. High level language instruction. Okay. So question number 3 answer is A. Then goes to question number 4. Which of the following memory is volatile? Okay, so what is the meaning of volatile? So volatile means it can store the data as well as the computer system is working. Means if the computer system will switch off, then it loses the stored information. So volatile memory means the RAM is a volatile memory, but ROM, PROM, EPROM, these are non-volatile storage. But remember that ROM, PROM, EPROM, these are primary memory, but still these are the memory contents, the preloaded manufacturing program, and this program is very helpful as a firmware to execute the computer system, to on the computer system, to active the computer system. That's why the content are always be non-volatile. So question number 4 answer is A and it is RAM. Then goes to question number 5. Which of the following characteristics of operating system? So it has asked about what is the characteristics of operating system. So students, remember that operating system has 5 important characteristics. One is process management, task management, disk management, IO management and memory management. So IO management is there, good. Process management is there, memory management is there. So that's why answer is all of these above, because operating system is the manager of the computer system and it can manages all the resources of our computer. So whether it is input output, it manage, whether it is CPU, it is managed, whether it is memory auto, it can manage. So question number 5 answer is D, all of these. Then goes to question number 6. A computer cannot boot, the computer cannot boot if it does not have dash. So students, remember that booting operation is nothing but the loading of operating system in our main memory. So loading of operating system is nothing but booting operation. So booting means there must be an operating system and this operating system must be loaded in our computer. So question number 5 answer is C, operating system. Then goes to question number 7. Yes, question number 7. A file is the collection of related dash. So it is a question from the database MS Access. A file is nothing but the collection of related records. So by combination of the relevant records, okay, we can create a file. Record means row. So remember that in database, record are nothing but the rows, or we can say tuple. And field, and student, remember another popular question, field are nothing but the columns, okay, and also known as attributes. Okay, so field are columns or attributes, file is the collection of related record, and record is also known as rows or tuples. So question number 7 answer is A. Good, Soumyaranjan, good. Question number 7 answer is A. Then go to question number 8. What is the full form of EPROM? Very popular questions. Full form of EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. EPROM, it stands for erasable programmable read-only memory. So answer is A, erasable programmable read-only memory. Erasable programmable read-only memory. Okay, so not question number C, answer is C, erasable programmable read-only memory. So question number C. Okay, so question number 8 answer is C. Then goes to question number 9. Which function key display the print preview? Very popular question. It has asked about the print preview. So student, before going to the print operation, we need to perform the print preview. So what does it mean, print preview? So before going to print, we need to check whether the page number is correct or not, whether the margin is perfect or not, whether the alignments are perfect or not. So in this way, we can observe all the documentations thoroughly. For this purpose, the operation is known as print preview, and the shortcut key is known as Control plus F2. Control plus F2 is the shortcut key basically used for print preview. So question number 9, answer is C. Then goes to question number 10. In the context of computing, a byte is equal to how many bits? So always we know that a byte is nothing but 8 bits. 8 what bits? So a byte is nothing but 8 bits, right? So question number 10, answer is D. Then goes to question number 11. In the context of computing, what is the full form of URL? Very popular questions. URL. So many times it has asked in different examination. What is the full form of URL? So answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. Uniform Resource Locator. So answer is C. Uniform Resource Locator. So question number 11, answer is C. Samaranjan, question number 11, answer C, Uniform Resource Locator. Okay, then goes to question number 12. Dash is a small portable flash memory card and that plugs into the computer USB port and function as a portable hard drive. So simply student, remember that this is nothing but a flash memory or flash drive, and basically generally it is known as pen drive. Okay, flash drive is nothing but our pen drive, and which is basically used as a plug and play device, external device. This is not permanent in our computer. Whenever we need to insert, then we can do our work, then we can eject that. So question number 12, answer is A. Okay, then goes to question number 13. Which of the following is not an e-commerce website? Which of the following is not an e-commerce website? Okay, so Uber, it is e-commerce website. Swiggy also, Flipkart also. Okay, Google Map, it is not e-commerce site. This is a GPS enabled application. So answer is D. Okay, question number 13, answer is D. Okay, Google Map, this is a GPS enabled application through which basically used for navigation purpose. Okay, to move from one source to destination, right? So question number 13, answer is D. Then goes to question number 14. Which of the following symbol must be used before creating a formula in MS Excel? In is another important question. Student, remember, more than 30 to 40 times it has already asked in different examination. While you are creating any file and formula and function, before that the symbol which is used is nothing but equal to symbol. So when we start a formula, it begins with equal to symbol. For example, equal to average. Okay, bracket start, cell reference, A1 is to A5, bracket close, then enter. So this is a formula for average, and before average I am using a symbol, that is what, equal to symbol. So question number 14, answer is A. Then goes to question number 15. What is the full form of BASIC? Full form of BASIC. So student, remember that BASIC is a high level programming language and it is designed by John Kemeny and Nicholas Witt, and it stands for Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. So match here whether it is A, B, C or D. Beginners All Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Okay, so answer is beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Answer is D. So question number 15, what is the answer? Answer is D. So it is a very popular full form, basic. Then goes to question number 16. Nibble in a computer terminology also called as. Remember that nibble is a unit and its value is 4 bits. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, right? But see here in the option it is not given, but we know that 4 bits is equal to half bytes. Half bytes, because 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. So 8 bit divided by 2, it is 4 bits. So 4 bit is nothing but half byte. So here we can choose option is C. So instead of 4 bits, we can choose half bytes. Its value is 4 bits. So question number 16, answer is C. Clear? Swati, Soumya, question number 16, answer is C. Then goes to question number 17. What is the shortcut keys for print the page before printing? Okay, so it has asked about the shortcut keys for print. Recently we discussed about print preview. Print preview is Control F2, but for print we can choose Control P. But remember, if in the option Control P, it is the answer, option A. But remember, if in the option Control P is not there, then we should check whether the alternative is available or not. What is the alternative? I am writing here Control plus Shift plus F12. So student, remember Control plus Shift plus F12. So this is the shortcut keys. Instead of Control P, we can choose. So question number 17, answer is A, Control P. Alternative is Control plus Shift plus F12. Then goes to question number 18. Which company manufactured the first microprocessor 4004? So student, remember that the first microprocessor 4004 is the microprocessor designed by Intel Corporation. So Intel Corporation is an MNC and it has so popular best because of its product microprocessor semiconductor chip. Okay, and the first semiconductor chip which is designed by Intel Corporation, and that is what? 4004. So question number 18, answer is D. Then goes to question number 19. Linux is dash. So Linux is nothing but an operating system and it is popular for open source operating system. Open source operating system. Okay, so question number 19, answer is what? B, operating system. Then goes to question number 20. What is the shortcut keys for center alignment? Okay, so what is alignment? Alignment means arrangement of the paragraph with respect to margin. And how many alignments are there? 4 alignments. Left alignment, Control plus L. Right alignment, Control plus R. Center alignment it has asked, so Control plus E. So option is A, Control E. And for justify, Control plus J. We know that. Very simple questions. So question number 20, answer is A. Then goes to question number 21. So in question number 21, in the field of computing, what is VGA? So very popular question, VGA. So student, never be confused about VGA and video. Both are different. VGA, it is video graphics array. Video graphics array, option is B. But video, this is visual display unit. Display unit. Visual display unit. So question number 21, answer is B, video graphics array. Okay, so we have designed 21 questions because the maximum questions in your CGL it is 21. So students, thank you very much watching this video today. So we have already completed students 22 number of MCQ. So it will be near about 400 to 500 questions. So it will be very helpful for your CGL examinations. So be ready for that, because the exam is now knocking the door, and practice more question, collect different sources and collect the different question for the practice base, and wish you all the best for your examinations. So do not worry about that. Tomorrow also I will design another 21 practice set, and we will go for the discussion also. Okay, so tomorrow same time we will meet again in the 7 p.m. for set number 23, and we will discuss about 21 number of questions. Okay, so thank you very much and have a good day and good night.